Okay, so now that we have all the basic like form down, now I'm going to start adding some more of the details in that are on the house. And then I also have to draw this little part at the top here. Actually, maybe I will start with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna eyeball it to kind of figure out where I want that to kind of go. So I think it's gonna kind of come in like around here and then kind of go to like, now I'm obviously gonna use an orthogonal for this, but I'm going to have it kind of go about that length, all right? And then it will cross over kind of to this other side. Over here, I'll have a vertical line. Okay, so the part that is on, kind of coming out of the roof, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to line up to my vanishing point, and I'm going to draw the line about that length. Then from there, I'm going to draw just vertical lines to draw the left and the right side. Okay, and so the right side is going to be a little bit taller than the left. Now, put my ruler on this side. I'll put it right about there. Okay, so basically I have vertical lines here for this left side, and then I have the top and the bottom are going to go to this vanishing point. Now I forgot to extend this top part a little bit more on the left to account for the overhang of the roof. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw another vertical line over here. And I'm actually going to draw it as if you were to be able to see through the house a bit. Okay, later on that will get, some of that will get erased because it does kind of, the roof kind of comes up there. It's like on top of the roof. Okay, and then here, I'm actually going to go ahead and draw as if I were seeing the inside of it like that. A little bit longer. Okay, and then I'm going to connect this corner edge here. And this is going, having this drawn there, now I can go ahead and I can draw that X like I did on this side. And by drawing that X, I'll be able to find the center point, which will help me to put the peak of the triangular part of the roof. Even though some of this is going to end up getting erased. Okay, so now in the center of my X, I'm going to go ahead and put the peak of my roof. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw the right side that's going to overhang a little bit. Left side. Okay. And then the top of the roof is going to line up with the vanishing point. And so I'll line my ruler up on the left with the vanishing point. I'm going to bring this back. And then this edge will be parallel back here. And I'm going to leave a little bit of an overhang on that roof. I'm going to move it over a tiny bit. Okay, all right. You can always go in and kind of clean things up a bit. So now I want to kind of erase out that part of the thing that I just added onto the roof that doesn't go there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use kind of the peak of the roof, keeping a parallel line with that. Also kind of lining up with that corner. Be something like that. So I can actually use that center line and connect that center line with the corner, and that should be about parallel with that. And so now I can erase all this part that I really just drew to be able to see where the X needed to go to place the roof.